This 2022 Forest River Wildwood FSX 169 RSK rear queen bed slide, front U-Dinette is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Forest River is 22 feet 11 inches in length and features one slide-out, a vintage washed gray interior, sleeps 4, external shower, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, Skylight, TV, slide-out, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features mid-kitchen, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Forest River Wildwood FSX 169 RSK rear queen bed slide, front U-Dinette is 3,999 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.